of Israel and Ukraine. What happened during that and what faced by those secretaries? Just have a look at that.
Not in the face of an intensifying strategic competition in the Indo-Pacific and around the world.
If the witness will suspend.
Convention forbid the bombing of densely populated areas. Stop supporting the genocide and ethnic cleansing of the people of Gaza. Cease fire now. Save the children of Gaza. Save the children of Gaza. Cease fire now. Where is your pride, America?
3,500 kids dead. Come on, I'm an Army colonel, I'm a former diplomat, I resigned on that war in Iraq that you talked about. That was a terrible thing, and what we're doing right now in supporting Israel's genocide of Gaza is a terrible thing too. Stop the war!
I know that several
Committee will suspend, and I again ask that those in the audience respect the people in the room and allow us to continue the hearing. The hearing will suspend until the disruption is removed.
Cease fire now! Cease fire now!
both stress the need for Israel.
Whether the humans are only living in West or in Israel, Israel has the only right to self-defense. Gaza people, the West Bank, the Palestinians, these are not the human beings?
Not in their perception. They do not perceive them to be humans. My hats off to the people who were raising slogans and they were taken away by the police. I personally feel guilty that I was not there, unfortunately. But hats off to the Western people in the West who are gathering in large numbers in Western capitals and protesting against their own government. They are not Muslims. There may be few Muslims in them, but they are the people in the West.
But they are humans and respect humanity.
That's what I am coming at. Look at the hypocrisy of the US-led West. That when it comes to the Western cities, they are known as counter-value targets, and they cannot be attacked. But when it comes to the cities or population centers of the Islamic world, it becomes a counter force target. It becomes a counter no value target, and they keep on bombing. More than 11,000 people have been killed. 50% of them were non-combatants, ladies and the children.
Definitely, you are very right on that.